Good afternoon, class. Welcome back. I, Kanika Nerwal, I'm back with you with a new chapter that is cooking food. Cooking food. Why is it a part of our syllabus? क्यों ये हमारी सिलेबस का पार्ट है? कुकिंग फूड मतलब खाना पकाना. इससे इस चैप्टर को लर्न करते करते वी लर्न दैट how our mothers are important to us, how much they work for us, how they cook food in different ways and make us healthy by giving us healthy food. So first we'll learn about raw food. जो खाना जो vegetables fruits हम मार्केट से लेकर आए हैं और वो अब तक पके नहीं हैं, they are only cut down, that are raw food. Most fruits and some vegetables are eaten raw. They are called raw food. कहीं fruits और vegetables, fruits तो mainly we eat raw, मतलब हम उसको बिना पकाए खाते हैं, and even some vegetables we eat raw too. We must wash these fruits and vegetables thoroughly before cutting them. When we wash them after cutting, many minerals and vitamins get washed away. In this slide, we are able to learn that हमें हमेशा कोई भी सब्जी काटने से पहले धोना ज़रूरी होता है so that the germs, अगर उसमें कोई germs present हैं तो वो कट डाउन उसके साथ वॉश ऑफ हो जाए. एंड आफ्टर कटिंग जब हम कोई भी सब्जी काट चुके हैं तो हमें दोबारा उसको वॉश नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि उसके मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स वॉश ऑफ होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Cooked food. Most of the food we eat is cooked. ज़्यादातर खाना जो हम खाते हैं वो पकाया हुआ होता है. For example, rice, wheat, maize, pulses, fish, flesh, potato and brinjal need to be cooked before eating. ये सारा खाना हमें पकाना पड़ता है. जैसे हम चावल कच्चे नहीं खा सकते. आटा हम बिना चपाती के कैसे खाएंगे? हम we can't eat it raw. So they need to be cooked. Cooking makes the food tasty and soft. वो उसको tasty बनाता है और उसको soft बनाता है ताकि हमारा digestion का जो process है वो easy हो जाए. It also kills germs in the food. Cooked food is easy to digest. So moving on to the next topic, that is methods of cooking food. कैसे कैसे खाना पकाया जाता है? The first one is frying, roasting, boiling and steaming, grilling and then baking. Now we will learn these methods step by step. First one is frying. हम तल रहे हैं. सिर्फ तलना बहुत सारे घी में और थोड़े घी में, इन सब चीज़ों में भी डिफरेंस है. So we will learn this कि frying, what is frying? Frying means cooking with hot oil or butter without water. Frying में हम water use नहीं करते, only oil, cooking oil is used. Shallow frying is when a small amount of oil or fat is used. It is called shallow frying. इस shallow frying का मतलब है जब हम बहुत कम तेल में कोई भी चीज़ को भून रहे हैं. जैसे हम बोल सकते हैं हम काजू बादाम जब भूनते हैं तो we use very less amount of oil. So that kind of frying is called shallow frying. Deep frying, अगर हम पूरी तल रहे हैं, पकोड़े तल रहे हैं तो they are a part of deep frying. When the oil completely covers the food while cooking, it is called a deep frying. A round pan or a wok, that is a कढ़ाई, is used for this. हमें पता है, हमने घर में देखा होगा मम्मा को बनाते हुए, जब भी वो कोई भी पकोड़े या फिर कुछ भी पूरी वगैरह तलती हैं तो वो एक कढ़ाई that is in a round shape उसमें उसको तलती हैं. The vegetables do not lose their nutrients and color when cooked by this method. जब कोई भी वेजिटेबल, कोई भी चीज़ इस मेथड से हम लोग कुक कर रहे हैं तो वो अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स लूज नहीं करती. So moving on to the next method, that is roasting. We cook flesh, paneer tikka and popcorn by roasting. So we have generally seen even in markets when we go out to eat something, the restaurants use this method, roasting methods for paneer tikkas. वो एक स्टिक पर पनीर उस पर लगे होते हैं and they are roasting it over a set of flame. एक टेम्परेचर जो सेट होता है उस पर वो उसको कुक कर रहे होते हैं. That process is called roasting. And even we used to make chapatis बाय रोस्टिंग, जब हम एक तवे पर रोटी को पूरी तरह से पका लेते हैं तो वी आर रोस्टिंग इट आफ्टर दैट so that it is quite soft and is easy to digest. The next method is boiling and steaming. Boiling involves cooking food in hot boiling water. It is usually done in a flat bottom pan. Potatoes, rice, noodles and macaronis are boiled in such pans. So तो क्या ये what is boiling? Boiling मतलब उबालना. हम लोग कई चीज़ें उबाल कर खाते हैं. Even today youth is going on diet conscious, so they are trying to eat boiled food so that no fat is gained up by their body. So boiling is a method. Boiling मतलब उबाल कर खाना और वो उसमें होते हैं हमारे पोटैटोज. हम पोटैटो को भी उबाल कर खाते हैं. राइस, noodles are first boiled and then they are fried. So this is the method, a general method of cooking. The next one is grilling or baking. Grill करना मतलब हमने ग्रिल टोस्ट खाया होगा. जब कोई सैंडविच हम खा रहे हैं तो वो आजकल ग्रिल होने लगा है. That is with the help of a griller. Grill, it means to cook over direct heat. This is the fast method of cooking. ये सबसे जल्दी होता है. इवन ovens and microwaves have this facility कि ग्रिलिंग का ऑप्शन इतना. Cooking methods are generally increasing so that our work is made easy. So this is the fastest method of cooking. Next one is baking. Bread, biscuits and cake are baked in ovens. So baking मतलब हम कोई भी केक हम generally हम केक बहुत खाते हैं. So how they are made? They are made by baking. The process that is a part of cake is baking. Next is type of stoves. क्या है, किस किस तरह के स्टोव्स पर हम खाना पकाते हैं. हमारी मम्मा खाना पकाती है. People use different type of heating sources to cook food. This is an electric stove. This is generally made, हम इसका यूज करते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के थ्रू. ये हमारे इसमें कोई भी एलपीजी कोई भी सिलेंडर कनेक्टेड नहीं होता. ओनली द वे ऑफ कनेक्शन इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड द यूटेंसिल्स आर केप्ट ओवर इट so that the food is cooked. And the next one is LPG stove. That is, हमने देखा होगा गैस के साथ हमारा चूल्हा लगा होता है. So the next method is this. Moving on to the next point, that is solar cooker. Pressure stove, ये हम बहुत देखते हैं villages में. And that is चूल्हा. This is also a part of village cooking. ये generally अब modern era, modern youth, this time people is not using because it takes lot of efforts. So food cooked over this method is generally tasty. Moving on to the next type, that is cooking utensils. Cooking utensils used for preparing, handling or serving food. किस किस चीज़ के लिए हम cooking utensils, मतलब कोई भी खाना पकाने के लिए हमें कड़छी चाहिए, चम्मच चाहिए, कढ़ाई चाहिए. All these things are utensils, cooking utensils. So cooking utensils are made of steel, brass, aluminium, wood, plastic and clay. ये सब चीज़ों, ये हमारी cooking utensils किन किन चीज़ों के बने होते हैं. They are made up of steel, brass, aluminium, wood, plastic and even clay. Pressure cooker, pan, saucepan, skimmer, rolling pin, spoons are the examples of cooking utensils. So moving on to the next topic, that is avoiding wastage. हमें खाना waste नहीं करना चाहिए. Anyone who is cooking is working harder for us so that we can have healthy food and tasty food. So avoid wasting food because there are many people who are unable to eat, who even don't get a single chapati before going to bed. So try to avoid food wastage. We can avoid wastage of cooked food by keeping it in a refrigerator. Cooked food remains fresh a long time in refrigerator. We keep fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator for the same reasons. Food is precious, we must not waste it. अब हम क्या बता रहा है ये स्लाइड, दैट कि हमें अपना कोई भी फूड वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। अगर थोड़ा फूड बच जाता है तो हमने देखा होगा मम्मा उसको रेफ्रिजरेटर में स्टोर कर कर रख देती है ताकि वो कल यूज़ कर सकें। वी शुड नॉट वेस्टेड। एक लो टेम्परेचर पर अगर हम उसको स्टोर करते हैं तो वो खराब होने के चांसेस कम होते हैं। सो ट्राई नॉट टू वेस्ट इट एंड सेव इट। The next one is good eating habits. We should wash our hands properly before and after the meal. We should not eat uncovered and unhygienic food. We should not talk while eating food. We should chew our food properly. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. So these are some healthy habits we should enhance in our diet, in our plan, in our routine, because today we are going through this tough time, that is through coronavirus pandemic. So we should try these habits too. We should wash our hands daily. Daily means at every and regular intervals, even after eating, before eating our food, before touching anything. We should not eat uncovered food, and even we should, for staying healthy, we should at least drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. So with this we have completed our chapter food, cooking food. So if someone is trying for us and working harder for us to, so that we can have tasty food, please help them. At least please praise them, be proud of them, and try to take care of them. And please be safe, stay at home, and hope you have learned a lot from this video. Question answers of this chapter are uploaded on your school website. Go through it and complete your work in your copy in a neat and beautiful handwriting. Thank you.